I'm Philippe Pavero. I work at Airbus Defence and Space. I'm an engineer in the mission algorithms for Earth observation team.
I am Jakub Rezler. I work at ITTI and I am a system analyst. SCRMS, in most simple terms, it's a schedule maker for the communication between satellites and ground stations.
The idea is to plan the communications between the ground and the satellite in both ways. In the upload way, the goal is to upload the telecommand plan of the satellite, what it should do. And in the download way, well, it's to download images. What our Domino does is taking into account the orbits of the different satellites it manages, the position of all the stations, and produce a plan with no conflicts between the different communications.
It organizes the meetings between the ground stations and the satellites so that we know when those meetings can be, when those meetings will be. That is what SCRMS, what it handles. In most simple terms, we allow the users, the owners of the ground station, of the satellites, to pool their resources together.
Let's imagine a situation with a disaster. So we have the capacity to take images from space, but there are constraints to using the space assets. If the disaster happens 3 hours after you have uploaded the plan, you have no reactivity, you cannot do anything. So what our Domino provides is a capacity to be much more reactive.
There are simply a lot of variables at play here. I mean, even the simple basic situation of a single constellation belonging to this user, even that is already complex on its own. So I suppose one of the key problems that we are grappling with is simply the fact that there are lots of different elements.
This capacity of communication between the satellites and stations, this is quite new, but there is also a cost impact. Or you can use the network providers that will loan their stations to you. And by using that, you don't need to invest in your own hardware station. So you can decrease the cost to access space.